Hi crafters, Lou here from Ditzy Bells Crafting. Been out all day shopping with Cassie. Boy, am I tired. I thought I'd show you my haul. You've seen hers, now let's see mine. We do have different types of fabrics that we like, which is quite cool. My big purchase was my new crafting mat. I had a smaller one given to me by a dear friend from work who brought it all the way from New Zealand to Australia. Her mother gave it to me and she had used it for many years. It was an Olaf brand. I have now upgraded to the 36 by 24. It shall take pride on our table. Another template that I bought was just the triangle. So you get 6 cuts to the one triangle. I've got a quilt that I want to make with that in mind. Another little gift that I bought today for Anne. She lives in a rural part of Australia. A little hummingbird. If you can find one of these in one of your local stores, I highly recommend getting it. It's a tiny needle threader. You'll see in a close-up, there's a tiny little crochet hook, and it is the best thing to thread your needles for your hand quilting that I've ever come across. So portable. And right here in the neck of the back, it has a tiny little blade to cut the cotton. I love my hummingbird, and it's coming your way. We went to Fantasia Fabrics down in Tugun. So they had some beautiful Aboriginal fabrics. These ones have the story about who made the fabric and why. I have a special project for this. Stay tuned. I fell in love. These beautiful gold fabrics. Again, I have a very special project for that. It's going to be lovely. They were rather expensive. They were about $25 a metre. Another investment we did today, the cutter. We always just use the ruler and the manual cutting blade. I think this will be a great addition. The lady that served us was using one and I had to have it. Then we went to Spotlight. This has golf balls all over it. They have a really big sale on at the moment. Once they hit to their end of line, they then put it on their discount rack, and today they had 50% off their discount rack. You bought 3 meters and got it at half price. This one's all golf balls. I've already got cricket balls and footballs, so more to the stash. It'll make a great quilt for someone who's right into their sports one day. Then I got some of this lovely fabric. Cass already has it, but I had to have some too. Also had on the discount rack the border fabric that went with it. I got 2.7 meters, not a bad size for a quilt, but you get quite a few runners in that quilt. So that will be rather handy. Looking forward to turning that into something amazing. I got a good chunk of this one. It's a lovely gold. It has a really beautiful shimmer to it. Again, on the discount rack. And then, oh, I've got the bag. This was a $5 bag with just odds and ends in it, but the reason I wanted it, it too had a little hummingbird, little blue one. Not really sure what's in here for the rest of it. Some scoring rotary blades, Velcro, fat quarter with cars, goes handy in our house, lots of cars, tiny little quilting needles, a quilter's wander wheel. I have no idea, but we'll look it up. More bits of just lace and trim. More lace, more bits of Velcro, bit of cord. Oh, this is cute. Little safety pins, all different colours. They could be handy for something. We always need a quick unpick. Jack the Ripper, my favourite tool. This handy little thing. Oh, looks like a little defluffer. Could be handy. A key ring. The sewing machine on it. That's not so bad. And just some little buttons and pieces there. That was not bad for a $5 bargain. Just some brown fatties for $1 I got. Handy to have. Good if you're just using a backing on something. This one I couldn't say no to. This was a panel. I'm not very much into Halloween, but Cassie adores Halloween. So I got these at about $2 a panel, I think it was. So that's pretty cool. I think that'll make a really lovely large Halloween pattern. I've got 6 panels, I believe. This one I thought was a really nice purple. Cassie got some more Halloween fabric. Pass it over. There we go. That was quite cool from Spotlight again, our local store. My husband, Cassie's dad, we called him our colour specialist. He's great with colours, and this was one of his picks. It's a lovely purple with a tiny polka dot that doesn't have any real pattern to it. So when you're cutting, you're not worried if there's an actual line or anything you need to follow, which I much prefer. This was just a nice green with little hoots all over it.
Oh, I got that too.
Well, I'll take back what I said. Cassie bought that as well.
No, I nearly did.
Oh, you nearly did?
Yeah.
Okay. We're not too far away in fabric some days. And then I got this one. Little dinosaurs. Where we go? That way round. There you go. Multi-little coloured dinosaurs. Cassie's a bit addicted to dinosaurs, so this might be waiting for a few years till we've got some little baby dinosaurs. I loved this grunge fabric. Got some lovely different shades of light purple. Cassie also bought some of her light purple.
For 2 meters.
We weren't even shopping really at the same time. This one is just another panel. It was really, really cheap again. I think I paid $2 for the panel. I've never seen the cartoon, I have no idea, but previously I've purchased some of this outer edging fabric, quite a few meters, because it was really cheap at another store. So that will make a great gift for someone. I bought the whole bolt. This one's just a really lovely dark colour. If you're looking really close, there's like a little bit of blue squares through it. We'll do a close up on that. It's quite nice when you just need something that's dark but not dead straight with no colour. This one again I bought for a nice little filler. It's got tiny little flowers and pattern in it. Very, very light, but it's great. It'll be a great accent. We love our plums and our purple, so you're going to see a lot of those colours. This was just another great accent colour to go with some fabrics. Never know when you're going to need it. Ah, some more of the same fabric. And then this one, my bag's empty now. This one I thought was really cool. If you look close, it's actually spools of cotton.
I saw that and I did not notice it.
And I don't know what draws me to it because I'm not really a yellowy type of person, but I'm sure it'll be right for the right project. Well, thank you for watching my haul. You'll see me next time. Bye bye.